What is it?
Elephant.
Elephant. Yes. Good job.
Not too much.
D-U-C-K.
Ducky.
Ducky. Duck. You're right. D-U-C-K. D-O-G.
Dog.
Dog. Good job. E-Y-E-S.
Eyes.
Eyes. Good job.
What's C?
C-A-T-S?
C.
Okay, tell me what it is first.
Mom.
C-A-T-S.
Cat.
Cats.
Cat. They turn it around.
What word is it?
Eyes.
What word is this one? You know it, baby. C-L-A-P. C-L-A-P.
Clap.
Clap. Good job.
Eyes.
Okay, what's this one right here? Tiger. What's this one? What's this one? We're almost done. H-I.
Hi.
Hi. Ooh, this one's hard. N-O-S-C. Do you remember? N-O-S-C.
No.
Oh, good job. Nose. B-A-L-L. Ball. Do you remember this one that starts with the Z? Z-E-B-R-A. Starts with the Z.
Zebra.
Good job, zebra. Good boy. Oh, G-O-R-I-L-L-A. We already did zebra. It doesn't start with the Z. So this one goes G-O-R-I-L-L-A. So what is it?
Umbrella.
Umbrella. No, gorilla.
Gorilla.
Gorilla. Are we done?
Yeah.
We're done? Okay. Good job, buddy. Good job. I'm proud of you. Good job. Good job.